So do you want to know how you can heal your gut just by eating food? What? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 of my favorite gut healing foods that you can implement today to improve your gut health. Guys, let's talk about food. Howdy y'all, Dr. Islam here, aka your poop guru, trying to give you the best tips and tricks so you can live your best life from the top all the way down to your bottom. If you haven't already, don't forget to smash that like button, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter where you can get great tips and tricks every single week going straight to your inbox so you can get your best life. Instead of eating your feelings, which will not be good for you, you can actually eat your way to health. I firmly believe that what you put in your mouth makes up about 80% of what makes your gut happy or makes your gut sad. And there is no doubt that the foods that we eat is crucial to our overall well-being. And we can sometimes change our health from one way to the other just by changing the foods that we eat. And here are my favorite foods for the gut. Number 1, fermented foods. Now, fermented foods are rich in probiotics, bacteria, and yeast to improve what is going on inside your gut microbiome. There's a constant battle between the good guys and the bad guys. I feel like I'm talking about Transformers here when it comes to the Autobots and the Decepticons. And you want to have as many Autobots inside your gut. And the best way to do that is to have fermented foods. These act as a natural fertilizer to improve the good guys, the Autobots, to get you feeling better and to improve your gut health overall. Foods like kimchi, kombucha, kefir, sauerkraut, and yogurt are fantastic fermented foods that can help improve your gut microbiome naturally. Number 2 are fiber-rich foods. Now, if you've been watching my channel and my videos, which you should if you haven't, you know I'm a big fan of fiber. Fiber is the foundation for your gut health. It lays everything down and you can build good health from that foundation. And if you can add fiber-rich foods to your diet, it's going to make your gut happy and healthy. So these include foods like fruits, vegetables, and plants. In fact, the best predictor for your gut health is a diet that has a wide variety of plants in there, and that can help out with what's going on with your gut microbiome. But sometimes it's hard having that fiber, so if you want to supplement extra fiber by taking a supplement with fiber, not a problem at all. It can help out with your gut microbiome. Either way, it doesn't matter to me. Just improve and increase the amount of fiber in your diet. Number 3, prebiotic foods. Prebiotic foods are also foods that act as a natural fertilizer for your gut microbiome. It gives you the reinforcements, the strength, and the health that the good guys want inside your gut. I would much rather you have prebiotic foods than have a prebiotic supplement, because the food adds more than just the prebiotics. You get the minerals, you get the nutrients, you get the feeling of being full by having these foods. It's not just one pill that can kind of maybe make you feel better. It's actually the minerals and the supplements I want you to have when it comes to prebiotic foods. These include foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus. These are fantastic, gut-approved prebiotic foods. Number 4, bone broth. Oh yeah, I love bone broth. Bone broth is rich in gelatin and amino acids, which are excellent for your overall health. In addition to that, it has minerals, vitamins, and other components that can help bring down the amount of inflammation going on inside your GI tract. And bone broth has other vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that can help out with the lining of your gut to make your gut happy and healthy. With winter and fall coming around the corner, this is the perfect time to have some warm bone broth and have that as a soup. Your body will thank you, and maybe your body's temperature will thank you as well. Number 5, anti-inflammatory foods. Yes, yes, yes. This is what we want. Raise the roof. Raise the roof. So we always have inflammation going on inside our body, especially if we have chronic diseases like arthritis, GI issues, harbor reflux, constipation, autoimmune diseases. And so you want to find ways to decrease the amount of inflammation. You want to improve or increase the amount of antioxidants inside your body. Antioxidants can help fight off that inflammation, make you feel better, and decrease the overall sensitivity of your GI tract. These include foods like fatty fish, like salmon or sardines, dandelion greens, flax seeds, grapes, kale, turmeric, and olive oil. So here's my call to action to you. This week, I want you to incorporate some of these foods that can make your body happy, improve your gut microbiome, and get you swole on the inside. See how you feel, see if it makes your health better, and let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are whenever you incorporate these foods. So my question today for you, have you tried incorporating foods to help out with your gut? Has it made it better? Has it made it worse? What has worked? What hasn't? Comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. And if you enjoyed the content from this video, check out this other video. We'll talk about other foods that can protect you from diseases. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter where you can get great tips and tricks like you're learning in today's video.